You know what they say about the cobbler's children have no shoes? Well, the blacksmith's house and shop have no latches or hinges, so I'm working on rectifying that. And I'm going to make a latch today, going to start on a latch for the front double door of the shop. And I'm going to use this piece of wrought iron here. This is from the Old Globe grain elevator in Ontario, I think. And I've been wanting to try some more of this iron for different projects like this and see how it works out. I'm going to be doing all the shop hardware in wrought iron. I can only get so close from a drawing, but I'm going to try to get as close as I can to replicating this. Oh, I love the way wrought iron feels under the hammer. As long as it's not delaminating on you or something like that, it works a lot nicer than just about any steel. I'm working the end of this bar of wrought iron, and the end is where cracks want to start in wrought iron. So I need to really keep it really screaming hot while I'm forging the very end of the bar. So usually when I have a piece less than 1/8 of an inch thick, I'll cold punch the holes instead of hot punching. Not always, but I'm definitely going to do it this time because I've got bright file work that I don't want to discolor. But you do need to be careful not to miss the punch and hit your hand. And yes, I have done that. Just takes a little practice, but with practice it can be extremely fast. So we've got a very simple plain staple, about twice the height of the width of the bar. So this is the first piece I'm going to make. It has this disc on this side, and then it has a tail that sticks through. So there's the part that you'll push with your thumb.
Cool, pretty fancy.
You like that? It's pretty fancy. It's kind of like this one right here. See in the book? Sort of. I'm not trying to make it look exactly like that. I'm just using this for ideas.
Looks a little bit more like that one, except it doesn't have this right here.
Yeah. And there's our staple. So these legs will get driven through the door just like a nail and clenched over. All right, so the final piece is done, this little guy right here. And if I'd had more daylight and more time, I would have forged these finials closer to the final shape, but filing will do the job nicely. And so all these pieces are forged, and y'all will get to see the file work when I go to put them on the door. So they're going to get cleaned up and decorated a little bit and fit together. We're going to do an awesome door build video. We're going to put it all together, build a pair of doors. I'm not sure if I'm going to use oak or poplar yet, but put all this awesome hardware on a pair of awesome doors, and you'll get to see it all come together and all working. And I'm really excited about that.